Hi, my name is Samantha Moss, and I'm a PhD student at UTA, and I'm a part of the Movement in Physical Activity Epidemiology Lab directed by Dr. Gu. I'm here to present our research, Sedentary Behavior, Physical Activity, and Classroom Behavior Among Preschoolers, Gender Disparity Exploration. Classroom misbehavior has been shown to lead to various school problems and disruption among children. Likewise, physical inactivity and sedentariness has been seen to be associated with the risk of classroom misbehaviors within older children. There is, however, limited evidence of how physical activity and sedentary behavior may be related to classroom behaviors in early childhood, 3 to 5-year-old children. Therefore, the purpose of the study was to investigate the association of physical activity and sedentary behavior with classroom behaviors, including emotional symptoms, conduct problems, hyperactivity, peer problems, and prosocial behaviors in a sample of preschoolers. We also investigated gender-specified associations as well. A cross-sectional research design was implemented for the study. We recruited 74 preschoolers consisting of 38 boys, 36 girls, with an average age of about 4 years old from 2 child care centers in Arlington. We recorded children's body mass index and gender, children's moderate to vigorous physical activity, represented by MVPA, and sedentary behavior, represented by SB, were objectively assessed by an accelerometer. The accelerometer was worn on their non-dominant hip for 5 consecutive days. Classroom behavior was reported by children's teachers using the Strengths and Difficulties questionnaire represented by SDQ. Descriptive statistics, Pearson's R correlational analysis, and a one-way boys versus girls multivariate analysis of covariance using BMI as a covariate were conducted. On average, children spent more than 9 hours being sedentary and only about 1.5 hours in moderate to vigorous physical activity. Over 51% of children did not meet the daily physical activity recommendation. Boys spent more time in sedentary and moderate to vigorous physical activity than girls. There were no significant gender differences observed in the classroom behavior subscales in this age group. However, the associations of physical activity and sedentary behavior with classroom behaviors differed in boys and girls. Specifically, emotional symptoms were significantly associated with BMI, sedentary behavior, and moderate to vigorous physical activity among girls, whereas in boys, only sedentary behavior became a significant correlate of peer problems and hyperactivity. These findings indicate that young children spend most of their time being sedentary and less time in moderate to vigorous physical activity, which can lead to emotional problems, especially in girls. Promoting more physical activity opportunities in the classroom, like taking activity breaks to decrease sedentary behavior, could be a potential approach to improve classroom behavior in preschool-aged boys. Limiting sedentariness may lead to better social skills, steady emotional distress, and abate distracting behavior in both genders during early childhood. Thanks for listening.